If you're a freelancer, you know the struggle. You're amazing at what you do, whether that's design, writing, consulting, or development, but managing invoices, tracking expenses, and keeping your books organized, that's a whole different story. Here's the thing. You don't need complicated accounting software built for big companies. You need something that works the way you work. Today, I'm breaking down why Xero, that's Xero, is becoming the go-to accounting software for freelancers in 2026. And trust me, after years of juggling spreadsheets and clunky software, this might just change how you run your business. Let's dive in. Why freelancers struggle with accounting? Let's be honest. As a freelancer, you're wearing all the hats. You're the talent, the sales team, the customer service, and the accountant. Most accounting software is designed for traditional businesses with employees, inventory, and complex operations, but that's not you. What do freelancers actually need? Fast, professional invoicing that gets you paid quickly, simple expense tracking so you don't miss deductions at tax time, a way to connect your bank accounts without spending hours reconciling, and ideally, time tracking if you bill hourly or by project. You don't need payroll systems, you don't need inventory management, you need software that understands the freelance lifestyle. That's exactly what makes Xero different. Reason number 1, invoicing that actually gets you paid. Let's start with the most important thing, getting paid. Xero makes invoicing incredibly simple. You can create a professional invoice in literally 60 seconds. Add your client, list your services, hit send. Done. But here's where it gets good. Xero integrates with payment processors like Stripe and PayPal. That means your clients can pay you directly from the invoice with one click. No more "the check is in the mail" excuses. You can set up recurring invoices for retainer clients. So if you have a client paying you monthly, Xero automatically sends the invoice on your schedule. You literally set it and forget it. And the best part? Automatic payment reminders. If a client hasn't paid, Xero can send gentle reminders for you. No more awkward, "hey, just following up" emails. Your invoices look professional too. Clean, branded, and nothing says "I'm a serious business" like a polished invoice. First impressions matter, especially when you're asking someone to pay you. For freelancers, cash flow is everything. Xero helps you get paid faster, and that's huge. Reason number 2, expense tracking that saves you money. Now let's talk expenses. Every dollar you spend on your business is potentially tax deductible, but only if you actually track it. Xero connects directly to your bank accounts and credit cards. Every transaction flows in automatically. No more logging into your bank, downloading statements, and manually entering everything. Here's my favorite feature. You can snap a photo of a receipt with your phone and Xero stores it with the transaction. Coffee meeting with a client? Snap. New laptop? Snap. Software subscriptions? Already tracked. When tax season rolls around, you're not scrambling through shoeboxes of receipts or trying to remember what that random charge from 6 months ago was for. And because everything is categorized, you can see exactly where your money is going. Maybe you're spending way more on software subscriptions than you realized, or maybe your coffee meetings are adding up. Xero gives you that clarity. For freelancers operating on tight margins, knowing your expenses can literally save you thousands at tax time. Reason number 3, bank reconciliation without the headache. Okay, bank reconciliation sounds boring, but it's actually really important, and Xero makes it painless. When your bank transactions flow into Xero automatically, all you have to do is match them to the right category. Xero even learns from your patterns and suggests matches. So that monthly Adobe subscription, after the first time, Xero automatically categorizes it. Same with your internet bill, your co-working space, whatever recurring expenses you have. This means your books are always up to date. You're not waiting until the end of the year to figure out if you made money or not. You can check your profit and loss statement anytime and actually know where you stand. And if you work with an accountant or bookkeeper, they can log in and see everything too. No more emailing spreadsheets back and forth. Everything is in one place, updated in real time. Reason number 4, project and time tracking. If you bill hourly or by project, this is game-changing. Xero has built-in time tracking. You can log hours directly in the platform, assign them to specific projects, and when it's time to invoice, all those hours automatically populate your invoice. No more trying to remember how many hours you worked 2 weeks ago. No more separate time tracking tools that don't talk to your accounting software. And for project-based work, you can track profitability. Did that website redesign actually make you money after you factor in all the hours you spent? Xero tells you. This is huge for freelancers because it helps you price your services correctly. If you're consistently losing money on certain types of projects, you need to know that. Xero gives you the data to make better business decisions. Reason number 5, it grows with you. Here's the thing about being a freelancer. Hopefully, you won't stay solo forever. Maybe you'll bring on a contractor, maybe you'll hire an assistant, maybe you'll scale into a full agency. Xero grows with you. All Xero plans include unlimited users, so when you're ready to give your accountant access, or bring on a partner or hire someone to help with admin, they can jump right in, no extra fees. The features you need as a one-person operation are the same features you'll need when you're bigger. You won't outgrow Xero the way you might outgrow simpler tools. And Xero has a massive app ecosystem. Need proposal software? Integrates with Xero. Want advanced reporting? There's an app for that. As your needs change, Xero adapts. Pricing and value. Let's talk money, because as a freelancer, every dollar counts. Xero's early plan starts at $25 a month in 2026. That includes invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and basic reporting. For most freelancers just starting out, that's plenty. And here's a pro tip. Xero runs promotions all the time. Right now, you can often find 90% off for the first 6 months through promotional links. That's like $6 a month to start. You can get promotional link below description. Compare that to the headache of spreadsheets, the risk of missing deductions, or the cost of hiring a bookkeeper to clean up your mess at tax time. Xero pays for itself. Conclusion. So here's the bottom line. If you're a freelancer who's tired of cobbling together spreadsheets, sticky notes, and panic at tax time, Xero is worth checking out. It handles the 4 things freelancers need most: getting paid faster with professional invoicing, tracking expenses automatically, keeping your books reconciled without the headache, and managing your time and projects in one place. Is it perfect? No software is, but for freelancers who want to spend less time on admin and more time doing the work they love, Xero is one of the best options out there in 2026. If you want to try it out, most plans offer a free trial. Test it with real data, send a few invoices, connect your bank, see if it clicks for you. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more freelance business tips. Drop a comment and let me know, what's your biggest accounting challenge as a freelancer? I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.